Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type Lightning Edges and download this app from this developer. Open it and tap on one of the themes, for example this one. Name it and click OK Creative. Close an app and customize your edges however you like. You can change run style, add pattern, speed it up, and many other things. When you're done but you want to change your wallpaper as well, click on one of these sources, for example photo, choose a photo, adjust it, and tap at the bottom top right corner. Click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, then Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. As you can see, my edges were successfully applied, but if you wanna see these edges when you use other apps, you can go back, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap Enable Overlay Other App. Click Yes, click on the switcher, go back and tap on the switcher again. As you can see, now my edges are visible all of the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!